Hi guys, here is how you can update your passport details with Australian immigration. Make sure you have the new scanned passport before doing this. Quickly log into the immigration website and then click here on Update Details. On this page, click on Change of Passport Details. You will find the old passport details here. Now write your surname or family name, given name, type of document is passport, passport number, country of passport, nationality of passport holder, date of issue, date of expiry, and place of issue and issuing authority. For reasons to update, select expired or new. Click on Next. Re-verify all the information and click on Next. Then click on Travel Document, select Passport, upload your passport and write the description. All done and submit application. So we have successfully changed it. If you go back to your account, you can see it here and open this PDF to see all the details for changes. Thank you very much.